Alright guys, so this is the first video on this channel right now. This is a very different channel than my usual videos. You know, me and Brian here, we only film some very bad videos. Like back in the past and stuff, you know, with the Walmart stuff and all that, and the pranks on people. But we're about to switch it up right now, and this is gonna be a finance, not like a full finance channel, but we're about to start a business. Me, Brian, his girl, and my girl. So we're all starting a business together, and it's gonna be opening. We literally signed the lease paper today, so it's gonna be opening very soon. And I want to just make a little brief video to let you guys know that we're gonna be doing that, and we're gonna take you guys along the whole journey, show you guys step by step everything we did, everything that we made mistakes on, so you guys don't make those same mistakes when you're starting a business, and just go from there. So
you guys seen us on like the funny side of things, but now it's actually time.
Yeah,
like you guys, we wouldn't be
get some bread.
Dead ass. We wouldn't be anywhere near where we're at right now if it wasn't for you guys. So yeah. I want to kind of give you guys, like, point you in the right direction to creating your own success and stuff like that.
So I mean you guys will see if we fail. You guys will see that too. You'll see why we failed, but that's not gonna happen. We ain't letting that happen.
Yeah, we ain't.
All you gotta do is stay consistent. If you stay consistent with stuff, it's gonna work out eventually. But where can we start with this? So I'm not gonna tell you guys what we're opening yet until we get the key for this place. So once we get that key back, probably within the next couple of days to about a week, we'll get the key and we'll go from there. We'll do like a video of showing the place and stuff. We'll do like a first tour. The place is completely empty. We have a bunch of stuff at your grandfather's house right now in the garage.
Yeah, and upstairs in my living room. My parents aren't very happy about that. But
yeah, we got a bunch of stuff for the business that we bought. This is also a business you could start with under 50K. So I mean, like, all right, obviously there's 4 of us right now. People are gonna come and hate, oh, you have too many people, this and that. All right, well, we own 10 of them. We're not gonna have too many people though, right?
Facts.
That's
just, you gotta start somewhere. That's what it really comes down to.
Exactly, and none of us had the capital to start. We do have the capital to start by ourselves, but why start something by yourself? You can start with your friends and not risk losing as much money as you could.
And not even as much of just the risk part, but just more like it's better to have a whole team working on things rather than just one person. Like,
exactly, because somebody slacks off, the next person picks it up. Everybody just keeps, we all move together. And it works better that way. And we all know each other growing up and everything, so.
We know everybody's solid in the group.
Exactly, so we Gucci with that. And yeah, we just wanted to make this video real quick, just to let you guys know everything. Yeah, we're both gonna get, all of us, we gotta do a sit down video with our girls too, obviously.
Right. But just like a little intro.
Yeah, this is just a little intro for you guys, and a lot to come, I'll tell you that. This is the first video on this channel. We're gonna do a challenge, 0 to 100,000 on this challenge in our new business. And once we do that, we do 100 to a mil.
100 to a mil.
100 to a mil challenge after that. So that's gonna be the goal. We'll probably go 100 to 500K, then 100 to a mil, or 500 to a mil. So you guys can see all the step-by-step process, everything that's getting done, and we'll be going from there. So you got anything to add in this?
I think you pretty much hit it.
So that's it, guys. It's just a quick little short video. We just want to let you know what's going down. Our girls are both in the business as well. They both invested the same amount as us. We're all doing an equal part here, except Brian ordered everything. He handled all that, so shout out to him. But yeah, let's get it.
Yes, sir. And also, if you guys are in North Jersey area, South, wherever you guys are,
we're gonna drop all the links and stuff so you guys can see everything.
Stay tuned. Opening day is gonna be big. So
yes, sir.
Get ready. Hopefully October 1st. I don't want to put nothing in the air yet, but that's what we're looking
maybe a little bit later, but we'll see what happens. We're gonna keep you guys updated. I mean, they'll know because they'll see the videos drop and see our progress and stuff. But
keep up on Instagrams and everything else.
Yeah, we're gonna drop the Instagram in the next video, so you guys will see that. You'll see the Instagram for what we have coming. And other than that, that's it for this video. Just quick little rundown. Big things coming.
Yes, sir. We'll see you guys later.
Let's get it.